Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get ready with me as I'm heading for a quick unplanned movie date. This look is special to me because firstly, this is happened to be shot right before I got inflicted with mumps virus, so my face is all swollen up right now, and the second reason is I have used tons of newly bought products here. So let's dive into the video and discuss elaborately on them. Quite evidently, this brush is the new addition and it's very viral right now as it consists of not only one brush but four brushes. Can you believe this? That too is obviously super ideal for traveling purposes. The cherry on the top is it's of a great quality. I had started this look with the intention of making it winter appropriate, so a glowy super hydrating base is what I aimed for. Nothing seemed more appropriate than that of this K-Beauty foundation that blends in smoothly and gives a dewy natural finish, as you all can see, and I definitely prefer using my fingers over the brushes for the initial application. So I love to spread the foundation like this all over my face with my fingers, and then I definitely go on with my blending brush or foundation brush, as you can see. And I have found that this brush that I have recently bought is of great quality for blending purposes. For the bit of highlighting, I have used my favorite and very oldie Maybelline Fit Me Concealer at the usual places, and I've also used the same brush in order to blend them in. I would suggest to use a concealer brush for the precise blending work, but since I was trying and testing this one, I did not move and use anything new. But yeah, it would have been much more convenient if I would have used my concealer brush. So this is how the face looks like once everything is done from the base point of view. Now I moved on inevitably to giving some flush of color to my face, and for that I have chosen my very favorite purple blush from the Inside Cosmetics. This one is amazing since it looks so beautiful on brown skin beauties, and it brings about the natural pink flush onto the cheekbones, and that looks so beautiful. And as you can see, I'm using the another part of the same brush, the other side. This one is meant for all the blush or highlighting products. You can also use it for your powder application, but I have just used it for my blush. In some other news, colourpop has finally launched in India, and I didn't delay purchasing the super shock eyeshadows that were waiting in my wish list for more than a decade now. This shadow is called Ripple. It's a duochrome shade, obviously consisting of purple dominantly with sparkling pinks and silver in it, and it's super appropriate for a winter time frosty eyeshadow look that I always wanted. And here I'm lining the upper lash line with my usual kohl, but this is purple in shade in case you are not able to trace it. It looks very beautiful, this combination I mean. And then I moved on with my mascara, which is from Huda, because it just gives that kind of a very soft and precise drama. It's time for the lips now, and I wanted to have deep berry tone lipsticks because that's what I prefer mostly during winters, and my dress was also in pink shades. So after lining the lips, I went on with Milani Color Fetish Balm in the shade Fantasy. I love this one so much, and I feel that it looks absolutely beautiful on my lips. But at the same time, I have realized that it started competing with my eye makeup. So I felt the need to make it a bit subdued with the help of a bit of lip gloss on top so that the color gets muted a bit. And the lip gloss that I have used over here is called a Mauve Lady, and it's from e.l.f. And it's a plumping lip gloss that doesn't only give you shimmer but also it just plumps up the lips. So I absolutely love this one. And I decided to touch up my blush that I had already applied before with a powder blush that has got shimmer in it, and for that I am using a blush by Milani. I'll try to link the name somewhere in the video itself because currently I don't remember that. It kinds of enhances the already pink that we have built in the previous step, but it just makes it even more prominent with a bit of shimmer on top. Also acts as a highlighter because I'm not using anything separately. Right after that, I quickly did my hair because this is the only hairdo I am able to do. Otherwise, I'm not an expert at all. But I feel that this went on really good. And of course, this is the final finished look. Don't forget to let me know if you like this look or not. Thank you so much. Bye.